Cue the intrigue. In 1968, a rare snake was discovered during an expedition to Iran. This wasn't your average serpent, it was a horned viper with an unusual, spider-like tail. Initially, scientists speculated the tail was a parasite or a neoplasm. Lacking additional specimens, they didn't rush to label it as a new species. Fast forward to 2003, a similar viper was found, confirming it as a new species. Observing the snake in its natural habitat unveiled its unique hunting technique. The viper burrows into rocks, leaving only its spider tail exposed, wiggling it as a lure. It can hold this position for hours, waiting for a bird to fall for the trick before striking. Interestingly, the spider-like tail only develops with age. And not all birds are fooled, only migratory birds unfamiliar with the viper's trickery are caught. A fascinating testament to the wonders of nature.